Guys, I just received an email from YouTube and I want you to read it yourself. This is the email that I got for your information. Hi there, it says from YouTube. We're reaching out because Google will be required to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside of the US this year. As early as June 2021, over the next few weeks, we'll be asking you to submit your tax info in Adsense to determine the correct amount of taxes to deduct, if any, apply. If your tax info isn't provided by May 31, Google may be required to deduct up to 24% of your total earnings worldwide. What do I need to do? In the next few weeks, you will receive an email to submit your tax information in Adsense. The only tax tool in Adsense is 6 steps and will ask you a series of questions to guide you through the process to determine if any US taxes apply. For more information on these changes and at least of tax info to prepare, visit our help center. Okay, so that means you just have to wait for the email from them that provided. So as of now, you don't need to do anything for the tax in form. Why is this happening? Google has responsibility under Chapter 3 of the U.S. Internal Revenue Code to collect tax info from all monetizing creators outside of the U.S. and deduct taxes in certain instances when they earn income from viewers in the U.S. For creators outside of the U.S., we will soon be updating our terms of service, where your earnings from YouTube will be considered royalties from a U.S. tax perspective. This may impact the way your earnings are taxed, and as required by U.S. law, Google will deduct taxes. How will my earnings be impacted? If you provide your tax info, U.S. taxes may only be applied to your monthly U.S. earnings from AdSense revenue earned from viewers in the U.S. through ad views, YouTube Premium, Super Chat, Super Stickers, and channel membership. If no tax info is provided, your tax rate may default to the higher individual backup withholding rate, 24% of total earnings worldwide. To estimate the potential impact on your earnings, follow this instruction. So I wonder what's the instruction. Let's click this. Alright. Submitting your US tax info to Google. So this is what you do. Okay. So Google may begin with withholding US tax on earnings you generate from in the US as early as June 2021. Please submit your US tax info in an AdSense as soon as possible if your tax info isn't provided. So this is just the thing, guys. Okay, submitting tax info into the Google. So that's how you need to go sign into your Google AdSense to provide your tax income or tax number. Okay, it's not the tax. So scroll to payments profile and click edit next to the United States tax info. Yun. So that's how you do, guys. All right, sign in to your Google AdSense, click payments, click manage settings, scroll to payments profile and click edit next to United States tax info. Click manage tax information. On this page, you'll find a guide that will help you to select the appropriate form for your tax situation. After you submit your tax information, follow the instructions above to check the United States tax info section of your payments profile to find the tax withholding rates that may apply to your payments. You'll also be able to make any edits in case your individual or business circumstances change. If you've changed your address, make sure your updated permanent address is the same in both sections: permanent residence address and legal address. This will ensure that your year-end tax forms are delivered to the correct location. If you're in the US, you must resubmit your W-9 form with your updated legal address. To help prepare you to submit your tax in Adsense, to go to submitting your US tax info to Google MCN. Specific guidance, go to tax requirements for MCNs and affiliate channels. So important, Google will never send unsolicited messages asking for your password or other personal information. Before clicking a link, always check the email is sent from youtube.com or google.com email address. Getting ready to fill out your tax forms. Ayan guys, alright? So, these are the instruction of what you need to do to fill up so you have to make sure when you fill in the tax information, you sign in first to your Google AdSense. Okay, so this all I can share to you guys for submitting tax info to Google, so that you will not be deducted 24% out of your income, total income of your uh, Google, of your YouTube income. Okay, so thank you so much and have a good day, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, click like and subscribe, and click the notification bell for this YouTube channel of mine. Bye guys.